done. Alright, take two.
Yeah. Any oil pressure? Anything?
We know we're getting spark, so everything we have right here and through here is working fine. So if, yeah, turn it over. It's turning over fine. I mean, the clearance down at the bottom, we looked at it from the bottom and we might not have to cut it. But everything that we've got wired through there is looking fine. So if we had gas, it would probably fire up. It's turning over pretty good. We changed the oil, put some new oil in it. But yeah. It's kind of turning over a little slow because our battery, but that was to our expected. So after seeing everything that we've seen so far, we got our battery charging because we don't have a belt on it. We need a belt now, and we need to get our fan hooked up on a relay. And I mean, in all honesty, right now we could dump some gas down his throat and see if it'd fire over. But we'll have another update here in just a minute. Alright guys, so yesterday, as you guys seen, we got it turning over. Everything was doing fairly well. This door, the driver's door, was sagging down a little bit. So we fixed it, we picked up on it, welded some stuff in here to add a little bit of support. Now, I mean, you can't get much better than that. The bottom down there was all messed up, rotted out. We got some patches in there. And back here, I'm gonna have to do the same thing on this door. It's rotted out down here. So we're gonna try to patch it up. And we got a relay for our fan, radiator fan, hooked up and everything. So we're gonna get some kind of switch and put in here. And we also have a horn relay made up and a turn signal. We still have to wire up and run down through there. But the relays, it took us a little bit to get it wired up, going from different diagrams, but I'll put a picture of the diagram that we used. If anybody has any trouble and want to see the one that we used. Another thing is we got the bumper on. It's tilted back a little bit, but I mean, we're gonna be able to fix it. We can take it on and off and work with it as much as we need to. But right here, we're gonna get some kind of mesh maybe to go in there, just to add a little protection there. And the hood, whenever we built it out, it is just a little bit too far. But back here, we're looking good on the crease. And we can't push it back no further. So we'll just try to, sand it down a little bit or maybe build up around it. But we'll definitely get that fixed up and looking nice. As for paint wise, we were thinking of just leaving the natural patina on it. Maybe getting some linseed oil, wiping it down. And I mean, the patina, the natural patina, looks very good on it. We might get some of this green right here and go around it. got the inside cleaned up a little bit. Now we're going to take this seat out so we can clean behind it, because it is not very good back here. So looks like all we got to do is take these out right there. See if I can get take those out. Alright, well, we got the seat out, and it looks about as well as you can imagine. Dang, it actually looks good under it though. What do you think? Here, get back. Here, come back over here. I'll set it down. There we go. What do you look like behind there? Ain't too bad. What do you think? What do you think, bud? Look, you wanna get up here? I'm just interested in what's under it. Here is what was under it all in here. Got some seat belts. But look at all this trash. Squirrel's nest. What we got right here?